Now you can see my screen. Can you hear me? You can hear me, right? Okay. Let's build one simple application. No? This is the functional model. We'll create one functional model. So this functional model, what we pass is, we'll pass a material type and one internal table. So this function model will get the data. This is SAP database. Get data from here to here. The process will happen here, and then the data come back to here. This is a program, and we display the output. The output. Okay. This is the selection screen here. So what we do is we'll give p underscore mtrt as the input. We'll go this one as the input in the program, report program. Okay. So we'll build a function model here. No? Okay. Here the function model input parameters is I underscore mdrt material type, and in the changing parameter it underscore mara internal table here. Okay. Go with parallel with me. Okay. First go to SC37. Okay. SC37. Create a new material information. July. Click on create. Okay. You can choose the previous function group. Hope you are doing with me parallelly. To the same function group, we don't need to create again function group. You made this function model for getting details data. Save it here. So the naming, right, it should be starting with the Z underscore. That's why this warning is coming. Better to follow the naming standard. So give Z underscore MLH. Click on create. Click on save. Up to here done, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Up to here done, right? Clear, right? Up to here. Now what we do here is import parameter. We will give I underscore material type. MDR is the field name and Mara type MDR. Okay. In the internal table should go as a changing parameter. Difference between the import and the changing parameters are import can only give the import value, but changing parameter you can import and you can change also the value. Okay. Go to changing parameters. Here give ID underscore Mara. Type here. Here, right, we should give table type. The flow. What we have learned earlier sessions. So what we should do is first we should create a structure type. So the structure type we should use to create a table type. table type. And this table type we use to create an internal table. This is the internal table, this is the flow. Okay. So for that, what do you do is go to SC11 first. Do it parallel with me. Okay. And create one structure type. Which radio button we should use here to create a structure type? Anyone can tell me? Which radio button I should choose here?
Data types.
Correct. You can give material information. Starting with Z. Do it parallel with me. Click on create. I think already it's existing, so I'll give underscore J. Click on create. Which option I should choose here for creating the structure type? First one, second one, or third one? I'm creating structure type. Okay, na? Very interesting. All these topics, provided we have practiced the previous topics. Entire thing depends on the variables, so internal tables, so dictionary, base, everything, all SAP, which we have covered already. And the data elements, MAT and all. Anyone can tell me what the component type belongs? What is this component type I'm typing here? Data elements, basically. The data elements. All right. How do you know? You can double click here. Save it here. Double click here. This is data element. Standard. This is for concept of reusability concept of data element. This is also data element. Double click here. Clear? Check syntax. Activate. Okay. Now use this structure type to create a table type to declare the internal table globally. Here we can go table type. Click on create. Choose the table type here. Right here as internal table type. Save it. Save it. Go to here. Line type, copy paste the structure type. Save it. Check syntax. Activate. Now table type you have created. This table type you should use here. Now this will become internal table. Is it internal table or work area? ID underscore Mara. Hello? ID underscore Mara will become internal table or work area?
Internal table.
Internal table. Based on what concept it becomes internal table? Because it is referring to table type, right? Got a point, right? Because of the table type. Suppose if I give like this, this is the internal table or work area? Hmm?
Work area.
How it become work area? It does not belongs based on the name, right? Naming you can give anything here. With this based on this what you are using. If this is the table type, this become internal table automatically. Whether you give W, WA or IT or I, does not matter. Got the point? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is internal table only. Mhm. Okay, now the next step is how do you bring the data? Okay, so you should bring the same fields what do you define here, right? What fields we have defined here? Material number, MTRT, MATL, MAN. So these four fields. You can copy control Y more than one. Like this, you can copy control Y. Oh, not coming. No. MATL, MTRT, MATKL, MANS. From Mara into table IT underscore Mara. Is it correct statement? Correct statement. Is this correct statement? Index correct or not? Oh, anyone can tell me what this statement is going to do? Anyone can tell me?
Select and fetch that.
From Marathi, right? This is correct, right? Statement is correct, but logically is it correct? Because I need to get only respective to specific material type data only. What I should do here? Where condition I should apply, right? So that no use. Where MTRT equal to I underscore M. Spelling mistake. Check syntax and activate. You can execute directly here also. Then you pass material type. Click on execute. 643 records has come. How do you know? Double click here. This is 643 records. So anyone can tell me why it has come 643? Based on what this number has come, records 640 records has come. Observe, observe closely and tell me based on what? Why not 500? Why not 400? Why not 300? Question clear, right? What I'm asking?
Based on the condition we provided in where.
Correct, correct. So can you check it? Cross check in Mara table. Maybe in your table may be different, your system, right? For a given material type, this many number of records are there. I can cross check, right? And go to here. Go to Mara table. Go to here. Right? Material type give as FERT. Click on number of entries. 643 is matching here. You see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
This is clear, what I'm saying. This now you should call this in the program. This function model, this is a function model you created in SC37. You should call it now in the program C30. This is a function model. Now you should call this from the program. It's the program. Anyone can try how to do. You need one material type as a should take from the input parameters using the parameters. It's a programmer, main programmer. So you should take the user material type. This should be parameters p underscore mtr. And the table should declare. Right. Once you get the data, you should display the data using the loop, the output. Try, I will wait for some time. Done? Anyone done? Completed? Try. You get some error. Try. While creating internal table, right? You can create with respect to work area. Structure type what we created here. You should create IP underscore Mora underscore program. Type. You can create a. You can refer to table type what we created. Or I can give like this also. Type table on. So while you are passing it, you should pass two parameters. One is the material type, second one is internal type. IT underscore Mara underscore P for program. You should call using the pattern statement. Right? Done? Clear? Anyone has completed? Hello?
Sir,
Yes, yes, you can go.
after the specifying data and the parameters, we need to call function.
Correct, yes, correct. Right, see here, you see my screen, right? Are getting any error, you can share the screen. So it will be good. If you get error, it's good. You can share the screen. This is function model, right? What you should do, right? ZMAX underscore function model calling program name materials data. Click on create. Get the materials data. Right, go to here now. You can go here parameters, right? P underscore mtrt type mtrt. All right. Then start off selection. Okay. Save it. Go to the pattern here. You can copy paste the function module name here. Enter. Now think here what I should do.
Need to give the value for I underscore MTR.
Hmm. So you should give here P underscore mtrt, right? Here. And you need here one internal table. For that, what we should do, declare one internal table. Underscore P. P for program internal table. For that, we should declare here, right? Go to data, IT underscore Mara underscore key type. You can copy paste the table type here. With table type. Save syntax, activate, execute. Now, if you want to print, what you should do? Anyone can guide me how to print this data? Put IT underscore Mara underscore P into work area underscore Mara. Okay. Void statement. All the four fields. 40 position. Work area underscore Mara. I and then 50 position work area underscore Mara. I MATK. Maybe 60 position work area underscore Mara. I You can give like this also. Work area can define like this also. Like line of IT underscore Mara. Execute. Do the material type. Save it. Execute. right? So this is a, I'll put a breakpoint here. Syntax activate. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Give the use the variant here. Execute. Right? Where is my control now? Line number 16. If I press this button, where will go the control?
Seventeen, 18.
No, 17, 18 will not execute. It will go inside the function model. Right? Because control is here now, here in the program here. Once we click single step, control will go to the program. Sorry, function model. It go to inside the function model. Single step. See, inside the function model. It compares and get the data into the internal table IT underscore Mara here. Now go back here. Then data has come. So what is the meaning of this one is the functionality. You do something. You are saying that call function and do execute the code what has been written inside this. Okay. And then we are looping and printing. And how many records are there? 643. What is 4 and what is 112 here? What is 4? What is 112?
4 is for fields.
Oh. 4 is the columns. What is 643? Records. What is 112? Number of bytes. Right? Now how many times the loop will execute?
643 times.
643 times because the loop. Now tell me which is the system variable will increment every time for this loop statement. Whenever you are looping, right? 643. Which is the system variable that will increment every time for each record? See the screen. In the screen, you have a solution. Which is the variable that will increment?
Sweat Abix.
Mhm. Correct. Very good. Very good. Tab X. See here. 1, 2, 3, like that it will go. First record. Second record. Okay. Clear? Is it clear? Any questions, doubts here?
Sir, hello.
Mm. Hello? Yeah, yeah.
Sir, in the line number 11, why did we use the like line of?
Oh, this one. To declare the work area, you can use this syntax as well. Like line of means work area. This one. Or if you are confusing, you can also give work area underscore more. type, give the structure type here. This also is possible. Like we use for the referring to the existing data type. Understood it? Clear, right? Shravani.
Yes, sir.
So quickly we'll go to concept of last class. We have done exceptions. I have not say told to you exceptions. Exceptions are to raise for any unknown errors. Suppose if you take the previous program, function model is a better example. No? Here calculator, here, right? You can go to exceptions tab. You can give here as like divide by 0, divide by, divide by, divide by 0. You can do here divide divide division by 0. Suppose subtraction. Uh, divide by 0 case. This case is second value is greater than second value is greater than first value. Save this one. Source code here. Right here, we can write the exception. Or divisor is not there, right? You can do else if else if else if I underscore operator equal to division. Okay. E underscore result equal to I underscore var one divided by I underscore var two. Okay. Save it here. Okay. I underscore var2 is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Raise, this is syntax, raise first exception, divide by 0. And if I think I can make it here else, right? Else and if here. Is correct? Right? Here, one more question. All right? Operator minus here. Else if I underscore var2 greater than I underscore var1, second value is greater than first value, subtraction not possible. We raise this event. Raise and if syntax done. Activation. This how it works is I'll show you in the debug mode. We'll go to the code where you are writing. So if you don't know, if you forget the program name, right? Listen carefully. You can go to where is the list. You can search here. You can search the program where you are using this one here. Here. This is the program you are calling. Go to here. You can change here. You should call again the program. Sorry, function module. Because we have changed the structure. Again, go to here. Call this function module. Z underscore mah underscore calc underscore. Now the new structure will come. See here. A new structure will come. Go here. P underscore var1. P underscore var2. P underscore operator. Result equal to V underscore result. Now you should uncomment this one. How to handle the errors is exceptions here. If S5 sub R C not equal to 0, if S5 sub R C equal to 1, wait statement divide by 0, else if specify hyphen sub RC equal to 2. Okay. Third statement, second value is greater than first value. And if save it this with syntax, activate activate this one. Okay. How it will work is I'll put a breakpoint here. That goes in another 5 minutes. Okay, now execute. Let's show the variant here. I'll create a division. Okay. 20. What is the default value for the integer data type? What is the default value for the integer data type? Integer data type. These two are integer data type, right? Hello, are you able to hear? You are able to hear me, right? What the default value for integer data type? Anyone? Are you listening?
The 0.
0. So you don't need to give as a 0 explicitly. Execute here. You can save this one as a division by 0. Save it as division by 0. Name division. Okay. So when next time you come back, you can choose this one, for example. Activate, execute, seized. You can choose this one, division by 0. Execute. Right? Control is the 27. Single step. It goes to function module. Where is my control now? Which line number? Which line number my control? Arrow. 16. This become true or false? I underscore operator value is division. So this becomes true or false? Line number 16. False. Right? It goes to the next statement. Is it true or false?
False.
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 Right? This is also false.
True, sir.
True. Very good. Now this become true or false? I
True.
underscore where to true, right? Because second value here. Here. Now observe here what is going to become else by sub RC. It is going to become 1 because exception 1 we are raising. It goes the same order 1 by 1. Now S by sub RC is going to become 1. See here. You see S by sub RC became 1 here. Where is the control now?
27.
Inside the program. It came back to the program. Right? Now which statement will execute here? 39 is true or false? 39.
False.
39 true or not equal to 0. It's not equal to 0 only, right? S by sub R is not equal to 0. It's 1. So this statement become true. It goes to line number 40. 40 is true or false?
True.
Hmm? True, right? Because is equal to 1. So this message will come. This is how you handle the exceptions here. And if you give minus symbol, okay. So 20 plus 30. Now second exception will raise here. Okay. If you want, you can raise, save it here as. You can give as second exception or exceptions 2. Exceptions 2. Good. Right now, single step. If I press this button, what will do? Where will go the control? This button. Anyone can tell me? This to be discussed in last 3 classes, right? If I click on this button, where will go the control? Currently control is 27.
$59.
Correct. It goes 39. It will execute internally. Now, what is the SY subarth value? What is the value to? See the mistake. You are seeing a skin line number 29 and 30. What is the mistake I'm doing here? Anyone can tell me? A logical mistake. What is the mistake I'm doing? 29 and 30. Is it I'm correctly passing or some mistake on it? Line number 29 and 30. No syntax mistake. Logical error. See line number 29 and 30. Concentration. Nothing you can achieve without concentration.
Both the values are same, sir.
So I given mistake, right? What I should give? Here 29, what I should give?
R1.
P underscore var1. Same variable name I have given. Right here. Go back. P underscore. Right now. Check. Activate. Execute. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Go to the variant. Right. Exception 2. By default, it comes automatically the values. Go to here. Execute. Single step. Right. It went to here. What is the operator? Operator is minus symbol. This become true or false? Line number 20. Line number 20 is become true or false?
True.
True. Now line number 21 is true or false?
True.
30 is greater than 20. Right? Now where will you go the control? Line number 22. This is second exception. If it is a second exception, what will happen the value to the SY subversive field? It will go order 1, 2, 3 like that, because two exceptions are there. It goes, if it is a first exception, it goes to divide by 0. If it is a second exception, it goes to SY subversive value will go to 0. Sorry, 2. Now tell me, SY subversive will go to 0, 1 or 2? This is 1, this is 2. No, I'm telling you, listen carefully. Concentration very important. Paying attention. Every word is important. This is for exception, first exception. SY subversive value become 1. For second exception, SY subversive value will become 2. Tell me now what will happen. It will become SY subversive become 1 or 2. If you listen my words correctly.
2.
2, because this is second exception, right? Subtraction not possible. See, what is SY subversive value? 2. Now this become true or false? 39. True. Now where will go the control? Which line will go the control? 43. Done. This is the concept. So you want this code, I can give this one. See? You want function model also, right? Yeah. Go to exceptions. I'll give this one skill. The code. Okay, done. I'll stop here. Huh?